Tell him. Tell him. Let me see. My big teeth are coming in.
Hi. Hi. Good morning. Please don't pet me. No petting, thank you. I don't want to be petted. Do not pet. You can go pet your mom or something.
Using my scary dog privilege to walk alone.
She signed the letter.
Look at this distinguished gentleman. Look at the way he is sitting. Yes, very distinguished. I see.
His paws, adorable. His ears, adorable. His tail, adorable. His face, adorable.
Don't get a Doberman, they said. They're vicious, they said. Come on.
Oh my God, what is that? Oh my God, what is that?
When the sky comes falling, even the sun don't shine, I got faith in you and I will put you.
Look at my happy guy. Oh, just a happy guy. Oh, just a look at that, the happy dog. Oh, just a happy.
My bedtime says at 8. But I don't go to bed. Because I'm the boss.
She's howling.
What a beautiful sunny day. Oh my God. What happened to the sun?
Easy, white chocolate. I wouldn't want you to melt.
I would like to thank you for guarding me while I poop. You took a job that nobody wanted, and you really stepped up to the plate. I salute you.
I asked my husband to come bring me snacks while I was training in my gym. So he strapped a backpack full of snacks to my dog to deliver it to me.
I'm sorry for shedding, but shedding's what I do. Doggy hairs are everywhere and they're all over you. I still think I'm pretty. You think I'm pretty too. And I'm just gonna sit right here and shed all over.
Oh, there was a spatula here from when I made my breakfast. I have to wonder where my spatula went.
His release command is free, and I am trying to trick him.
Friends? For French, freak, frog, frosting.
Dog has no use for fancy cars or big homes or designer clothes. A waterlogged stick will do just fine. Dog doesn't care if you're rich or poor, clever or dull, smart or dumb. Give him your heart, and he'll give you his.
Good job, honey.
How many people can you say that about? How many people can make you feel rare and pure and special? How many people can make you feel extraordinary?
Shut up. Do you want to go? Come here. Oh, sit. Can you sit? He's like Kyoto.